I'm Chris Umerding.
And today we are seeing how much force we can exert on a piece of wood by hitting it with a sledgehammer. We can figure this out using Newton's second law, force equals mass multiplied by the acceleration.
And we're doing this because in the fire service they have a tool called a maul, which has a sledgehammer on it, and they use it to vent roofs, so we're going to see how much force it takes to hit wood.
We also believe that the force of our swings will be very high because the mass of our sledgehammer is 4.6 kilograms, and we believe that we could get a high acceleration for our swings.
For both swings, the mass of the sledgehammer with the IOLab was 4.6 kilograms. With the mass in mind, we decided to use Newton's second law, force equals mass times acceleration. For my graph, we took the first big spike on the graph because that is when the sledgehammer hit the wood and accelerated in the negative direction due to stopping. The max acceleration of my swing was 16.031 meters per second squared. So we took F equals ma, and the mass of the sledgehammer is 4.6 kilograms, and we multiplied that by my acceleration, which was 16.031 meters per second squared, and that gave me 74 newtons.
For my graph, we took the first big spike on the graph as well, because that is when the sledgehammer hit the piece of wood and accelerated in the negative direction due to stopping. The max acceleration of my swing was 18.058 meters per second squared. We took the same formula to figure out the mass, F equals ma. We took 4.6 kilograms and multiplied it by 18.058 meters per second squared, and as a result, we got 83 newtons of force for my swing. To figure out the force, we use Newton's second law, which is force equals mass multiplied by the acceleration.
When we swung the sledgehammer, Newton's third law came into effect when the sledgehammer collided with the wood. The third law says that for every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction, or in other words, forces come in pairs. For my swing, the force that was exerted from the sledgehammer onto the wood was 74 newtons, which means that the wood also exerted 74 newtons on the sledgehammer. For Zach's swing, the same law applied, with both objects exerting 83 newtons of force on each other.